Hello again. By now you should be aware of how OERs can fit when using technology-enabled learning in your teaching. Now that we know more about OERs and the copyright permissions that are attached to them, let's start finding and sharing. There are potential challenges to keep in mind when you search for OERs. For example, a certain resource may work perfectly well on your computer system, but doesn't necessarily mean it will work well for your students. Or, gee, does the resource have a suitable level of material for your students or the curriculum you're teaching? As we have pointed out at the beginning of the week, suitability for your curriculum and instructional purposes are two of the key elements of selecting OERs. Just like searching for anything on the internet, finding good resources takes time and practice. And this is what we want to help you with in this topic. So where can you find quality OERs on the internet? While many resources can be found using popular search engines like Google or Yahoo, OERs are more effectively found in online repositories collected for that purpose. You've likely heard of open access video repositories such as Khan Academy and TeacherTube that are good repositories for open source videos. Well, there are also dedicated and organized OER repositories that are starting to become more common. So let's review a few questions to keep in mind when looking for OERs. Is the skill level appropriate for your students? Does the resource match the curriculum you're teaching? Is the resource easily modified with the computer technologies you have available? What speed of internet connection is required to access the OER? These are some of the questions you should keep in mind while you search for OERs. This is what we would like you to spend some time doing for the remainder of this week. The video we've provided in the resource section is a detailed description of search techniques for finding OERs and how you do an OER search on the Creative Commons website. You can also use Google to search, and we'll show you that as well. While we've provided a couple examples of OER repositories, we are looking forward to you sharing some of the OERs you find in the discussion forum. There's much reading to do on this topic and the other topics in this course. Share your views on what you have time to read with other participants. Remember to take time to review the topics and your ideas based on them. Also, assessment is a powerful tool for solidifying learning.